Hello guys, thank you for being here on my channel. You are watching the English Spoken Hub. My name is Satyendra Rawat, or in this session, in this class, in this live conversation, I'm going to give them a very interesting task and topic, which is very simple. They people are going to discuss about merit and demerit of Delhi government. So guys, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So who would like to speak first? It's just a group discussion, nothing else. Okay, it's not gonna be debate here. Okay, so if you are new here on my channel, then subscribe my channel for more such kind of videos. Okay, thank you. You guys can continue, please take it.
Can I speak it?
Come closer.
Yeah.
Okay,
So, as you all know that today we are going to discuss about the Delhi government. So, I would love to firstly say that currently our Chief Minister Atishi, she has announced 15 games schools to open and to encourage play and games in the youth, and there are many other things Delhi government is doing nowadays. So before Atishi, our Chief Minister Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, he was also doing a great work for the society, and he has done lots of things for the society. So I am very grateful for him, and I would love to.
We all know about the Mr. Kejriwal. The Delhi government in their started initial days, they're doing a lots of good work for the Delhi, but after completing their 2 10 years, they their motives and the motivation, and they are doing work not properly for the government. After completing 10 years, the Delhi government become little bit selfish, or more than selfish. They doing a lots of mistakes and lots of things, like they got arrested in liquor scam, and lots of scam was arising after 10 years. So I think currently the Aam Aadmi Party or the Delhi government is not doing a good work for the society.
For my point of view, Delhi government is good. Like I favor in Arvind Kejriwal. This is my impression, because of he doing very well work in Delhi. As you know that when to come point in Arvind Kejriwal, he complete all work, like education system updated, and he update better than private school education, and he went to come point in government school and better than private school, and government school and now time is better than private school. And the government, some people according is that Arvind Kejriwal is some cases happen, and I doesn't matter what will you do in Arvind Kejriwal life. And after that, in government school he updated, and he check all education system. And my according is that I study in government school, and so my point of view in Arvind Kejriwal is good, and he frees bus for women and safety, and human safety is this is very good. This is a main point of India. And as you know that women safety is a very good in India, like emergency call numbers for women.
Yeah, you can also share your points here.
Current time the CM of Delhi is good, because our previous CM, who is Arvind Kejriwal, he is also went in jail in a case of liquor, and he also do a lot of scams, as you know, and the currently CM of our Delhi is Atishi. He do a lot of she do a lot of good works for Delhi, because as you know, she opened a 15 sports school in in Delhi.
Would you like to say?
If I talk, in the previous conversation, I got to know about the liquor scam and many other scams, because of what government, the chief minister of India, ex chief minister of Delhi, went to the jail. So I watched some news regarding electoral bond, which was connected to the Kejriwal case. So there was some information. They were saying that a person who was accused of electoral bond, who was linked with BJP government, they were on his allegations, Kejriwal was arrested. So we can say that there can be a politics behind this to make weaker the Aam Aadmi Party, because in politics anything can happen at any time, and there were many scams which can be real as well, because not every government is good and every government has loopholes in their policies that opposition should also oppose. So they have also they have done some mistakes regarding administration, and they have not worked on their politicians. Like if I talk about our MLA, he is not doing any work, but he is getting vote on the name of Kejriwal and his works. Like he, as Kejriwal gave free of cost electricity of 200 units, and also there are many other things, education free, medical sector free, and there are so many things which government is giving us free at free of cost. So these things are good, but on their name, on the name of Kejriwal, and
Suraj, you
Success-
can also share your points, okay, if you want to share something.
As per my point of view,
Anybody can share, okay, whatever.
everyone know-
about
everyone
the
know-
topic.
everyone-
Discussion.
everyone know about the Kejriwal. They doing a lots of good thing, I know, but in some resources I have to know about their MLAs and their Nigam Parsad also doing a lots of scams.
Yes, I
they
have heard
they
about it.
they also asking a money from the public, like and they also scammed the money from, they also ask the money from the contractor and lots of things. The MLAs and the Nigam Parsad going to factories and the footpath and asking money, and their people's asking money from opening a shop and doing a lots of things. So they're doing a lots of scams, and they also collecting a money from the various of peoples.
Illegal.
And if and they giving everyone saying that they give they free electricity and free water, though. So as per my point of view, they just make people's weaker, because of if they create a lots of jobs and giving up people's jobs, then they are able to pay their electricity bills and their travel expenses, but they just hiding a burden. But in future this burden is become more user.
So first of all, when to come to point in Kejriwal, and he in Delhi according in increasing pollution day by day, and in Delhi government say that I will clear all pollution by you can't using pollution vehicle. After that in भैया के मध्य नजर में रखते हुए in view of he launch electricity vehicles like electricity vehicles like bus and bike and cycle, and this is a very good working in Delhi. Like in some non areas there are available electricity petrol pump point electricity point charge, and you can charge, and some people according that I use pollution vehicle because of in Nun area. When once upon a time I went Nun area, and there are no petrol pump, and what will you do on that time? And my friend said that I have electricity vehicle, and I will charge on that time. On that time, Arvind Kejriwal said that in Nun area and other place available electricity points, and you can charge, and you can go.
Yes, Suraj, would you like to say anything? Suraj and Rahul and Amir, any of you
not,
would like to say or add something here?
You told that the Kejriwal government introduced the electricity vehicle, but as per my point of view, and as per I know, the electricity vehicles is established in all around world. So Kejriwal can control the all around world? No, because of this is the era of initiate electricity vehicle. So every government or every state just trying to use it, because of when the new product or new thing is come into a era or manner, so then every government and every state, every country is trying to use it. So we didn't say the Kejriwal just introduced the electricity vehicle or other things. And also I know Kejriwal do lots of things in good manner, but we also know to consider their cause, because of if we are ignoring it, so then he do it again and again. So we have to just discussing about their pros or cons of both.
Yes.
First thing I would like to tell you about, I think he didn't mean that Kejriwal introduced electric vehicle. According to me, as much as I have knowledge about the electric vehicles, so Delhi is the Delhi got the number 1 rank to run electric vehicle provided by the government on the largest scale. In Delhi, approximately 20,000 or more than 20,000 electric buses are running on the roads of Delhi. And even if I talk about to control air pollution, Delhi government has installed 4 or more than 4 air purification system in the different 4 sectors of Delhi. Like one of them is at Delhi Gate metro, near Delhi Gate metro station. I have seen that. So that is a good step taken by the government. If I talk about the negligence of government, is that they have not worked for their on their politicians, because their workers are not good. If I talk about MPs, MLAs, chancellors and their main workers, they are just getting vote on the name of Arvind Kejriwal, but it is not good, because they are taking bribe from those people. And even I have seen one of the MLA, he was misbehaving with a resident of him. So this is not a good thing for a politician. You are our servant. We have chose you to serve ourselves. You are not the king in the society. You are our servant. We give tax, we pay, and then you get your salary, and you do scams of crores of money, millions of money, and thousands of money. So this is not good. If we are able to make you MLA, then we have the power to destroy you as well. So I would like to urge you, I would like to warn all kind of MLAs, MPs and politicians who are not doing good work. So keep in mind that everything in India, everything is citizen. If they are not supporting you, then you are nothing. Thanks.